Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to use block constraint. You can go to new drawings and then I will choose part design, click create body, create sketch and then choose top plane. For example, we draw a line in here and I will draw the second line. Now to lock this line, we can use block constraint. You can click at these icons, constraint block, and select the line object. And if you use this constraint again, I will move from this point into here. These lines will be automatically locked. So if you want to lock another lines, I will undo. We can block this line object. And then you can use again another constraint to move from this point into here. And these green lines will be automatically locked or blocked from moving. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials, how to use block constraint. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.